Welcome, students. Today we will learn and understand Surah Al-Fatihah, the opening of the Holy Quran. Let us read it slowly, word by word, to truly understand its beautiful meaning. Let's begin with the first verse. Listen to the words carefully. Bismi, in the name. Allahi, of Allah. Ar-Rahmani, the most gracious. Ar-Rahimi, the most merciful. Now let's read the full verse. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, which means, in the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Moving to the second verse. Alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Lillahi, be to Allah. Rabbi, the Lord. Al-Alamina, of the universe. The full verse is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, meaning all praise is for Allah, Lord of all worlds. Now the third verse. Ar-Rahmani, the most gracious. Ar-Rahimi, the most merciful. Read together. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim, meaning the most compassionate, most merciful. Let's look at the fourth verse. Maliki, the master. Yomi, of the day. Al-Dini, of the judgment. The full verse reads, Maliki Yawmiddin, meaning master of the day of judgment. Now the fifth verse, which is a beautiful promise to Allah. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and you alone. Nasta'inu, we ask for help. Listen to the full verse. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in, which means, you alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. In the sixth verse, we make a prayer. Ihdina, guide us. Al-sirata, to the path. Al-mustaqima, the straight. Together it is Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, meaning guide us along the straight path. Finally, the seventh verse. What is this straight path? Let's see. Sirata, the path. Alladhina, of those. An'amta, you have bestowed your favors. Alayhim, on them. Ghayri, not of. Al-Maghdubi, those who earned your wrath. Alayhim, on themselves. Wala, and not. Ad-Dallina, of those who go astray. The complete final verse reads, Sirata alladhina an'amta alayhim, ghayri al-maghdubi alayhim wala ad-dallin, meaning, the path of those you have blessed, not of those who have evoked your anger, or of those who are astray. May Allah accept our learning.